We got SB19. Damn music video they had to come back. SB19 be killing the game. Patreon it is. Someone already says this thing is gonna get blocked. Oi, Philippines! Don't block me. I haven't seen any of the teasers or any of the trailers, so I am going in here blindly, fresh off the freaking like papers. So without further ado, SB19, damn music video. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Pow. Okay. That's an intro. I don't know how. Oh, the tree of life?
Paano po ba iingatan ng kahiwagaan kung ang kapaligiran na ang kalaban? Paano ba hihigitan pa ang dulo ng kabutihan? At paano ba wawakasan ng isang bagay na hindi naman nagawang simulan?
Okay.
Ano bang pakiramdam?
Oh my god, it's a freaking movie. You seeing this? Is that Hogwarts? This is Hogwarts? Oh shit. Wait, did he just come in there like that? Hold up, let me see that again. Oh, he did. Whoa. Is that Felipe? Or Philip? Oh no, it's not. Whoa, wait a second. Wait a second, he looks badass. Seeing SB19 makes me so proud of my Filipino heritage. Same here, bro. Wait. Okay, I must let it play. All the gold and riches? Oh my god, his voice is so deep each time I hear it's a good reminder. Whoa! Oh, he going through it. Woo! Oh, two different people from the reflection. Let's go, Stell. Oh, he's like a druid? Woo! Oh, that's gonna go hard. Hold up. They going too hard. There's too much fire in this. Let me see. Pocket! Yo. Whoa. Oh my god, what am I even? Why is this literally a whole movie? Oh. Hey yo, you gonna fight? What? Bro, it feels like I need a backstory in each person. Wait, what? Who's doing that? Oh my god. His costume is so interesting to me. Ooh, oh! Why does Loki look like a Mortal Kombat like video? Hey! Ooh. Bro. Oh, second. Oh. Wait, what the hell? Who exploded? Oh, Stell's character? Oh, he's freed, right? Oh. He's free. He was trapped in there. Somebody said it looked like a Disney movie. Stop. They do. Bro, it's like they going through it. Oh, wait. Did it turn into stone? Or into gold? Oh, they all turned into stone. Oh, hell nah. Oh. Oh, damn. They went in my ear. God damn. It was so silent and then screaming. Man, he's screaming in my ear. Screaming in my ear. He's making sure. Damn. Where'd you find this? What the hell? SB9, who? My God, that was so much production into that. Wait. I need to know. They literally made a whole Disney film. Music video of the year. I don't know. They look like the Game of Thrones. Bro, see, like, I know a little bit of Tagalog to understand a little bit, but I don't understand Tagalog. That's my fault. I feel like I should learn it, to be honest. It's like everybody's like, wow. Wow. It's Filipino made. This is SB19. Let's go. Dang. What the hell, SB19? What kind of production did y'all put into that? Whew. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Guys, can you explain in the comments, if you can, the story, the lore of this as well? Because help a brother out. Help a brother out, please. But my God, that last part, they went in like literally. I think they put up the volume in. Especially this vocal right here. But it cuts off. What? Bro, they're so good live, by the way, too. But Jesus. He was screaming in my ear. He wanted to make it known. They upped the volume in that. It's like chaos. What? Wow. Jesus. Well, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Like this video for SB19. Tell me your bias in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.